All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about the brand new 2022 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Let's talk about that right now. All right, so the GTI is back, but there's pluses and minuses here. Number one, the performance is amazing. Power's up, so 241 horsepower, 273 foot-pounds of torque. That is not bad. But price is also up. So now we're at $30,000, 540. So $30,540 for a base model. Zero options, including destination, manual only. I'm not paying more than 30 grand for a GTI. I refuse to do it. So that would be, if I'm going to buy a GTI, I'm buying 30 grand, right? You want to spend more money, spend $15,000 more and get the Golf R. You can watch that video as well. This one, though, with the 7-speed dual clutch, does do 0 to 60 in 5.1 seconds. Very respectable time for a front-wheel driver. And quarter mile in 13.6. Not bad. I don't have the 0 to 60 time in the manual. However, I would buy this in the manual. I understand it's faster than the DCT, but I'm buying this to be a driver's car. The Golf R, I changed my answer. Because of that launch control and you can hit 0 to 60 in 3.9, fine. I'll buy the DCT with that one. But for this one, I want a driver's car and I want to roll my own gear, so I'm buying the manual here. And I may lose maybe a half a second. Maybe I go to 5.5, 5.6, 0 to 60 time. You know what that's faster than? A Civic Si. It's only $2,200 more than a Civic Si as well. So the Civic Si used to be around $26,000. And if it was still $26,000 and this was $30,000, I could understand the $4,000 disparity and could make a case for either one. You're going to own it long term. Sure, the Civic will probably, I have no idea, but will probably have more reliability. But they're both new cars, so I don't know for sure. But if I'm only buying new, let's say I'm leasing both of these, I'm only going to own them for like 3 years. Only a $2,200 price gap, and I'm going to have far more performance numbers. I'm going to be much faster in this than I am going to be in that new Civic Si. So Civic Si only has 200 horsepower, 192 foot-pounds of torque for 28,315, including destination. This one's 30,540. So like I said, $2,200 difference in price, and you're going to go faster. You're going to have more power. I don't know. And it's a hatchback, so you can fit more stuff in there. And I don't know. Now, here's the one thing that I don't like about the Golf. Well, two things, really. I think the Civic Si looks better. Just saying. As far as looks are concerned, I like the way it looks outside and inside better. The GTI looks good on the inside. However, what I don't like about its interior is the same thing I said about the Golf R, the capacitive touch buttons. Capacitive works great when you're standing still, but when you're driving 70 miles an hour, the speed limit, on the freeway, and you go to touch something, it doesn't always work. So I didn't like it in the Golf R. I don't like it in this one. So you know what? Get rid of capacitive touch buttons. I don't like them. So goodbye. And then the outside of it is just kind of there. It's not bad, it's not offensive, it's inoffensive. And sometimes when a manufacturer doesn't swing for the fences, I don't like it. So it's okay, they played it safe. I would have preferred a little bit more styling, especially if I'm buying the sporty version. This is the GTI, and even the Golf R doesn't look all that special. It's not a lot of special to the outside. I know it's more subtle and it's more sophisticated, and I'm sure you guys will tell me in the comments, and please do. What do you guys think? Would you guys buy this? Would you guys buy one of the Elantra Ns, or would you guys buy the Civic Si, the Acura Integra that's coming out? What in this price, you know, if 30,000 is your cap, okay, I will waiver the 540, but if 30,000 is your cap, you're not spending more than 30 grand, the Integra fits in that as well, which one would you guys choose? Leave your comments down below. My name's Eric, this is Cruise Control, have a good one.